In this tutorial, we are going to modify our previous app, which was Analog Clock version 1, to also have an alarm. When the user specifies a time, at that specific time, the alarm has to go off. Let's say that we want the alarm to go off at 07:09:10 seconds, past the hour. Now, as you heard that the alarm went off right at the time that we specified, just remember the time that the user specifies has to be exactly 2 digits for hour, colon 2 digits for minute, and colon and 2 digits for second. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is that the horizontal arrangement that we have down here, we are going to change the background color to be none, so it's going to be white. Now we are going to drag and drop a table arrangement, and we are going to set the number of columns to be 2 and the number of rows to be 1, and also the height to be field parent and the width to be field parent. Now what we need to drag and drop is a label for the text, so we are going to change the text to be hour, and we are going to give instruction to the user that it has to be hour, minute, second, and then colon space. This is going to be the label. Now we are going to drag and drop a text box right beside it, and we are going to set the width of the text box to be about, let's say, 30%, and then OK. Also, we are going to change the hint to alarm time. So this is going to be our design right now. Since we need the value in the text box, we are going to change the text box name, and we are going to call it alarm time. Also, we have to play the sound. So to play the sound, we are going to go to media and drag and drop a sound block on our screen. And again, the sound block is a hidden one, so it doesn't appear on the display. The only thing you have to do is the source. To get the source, go to this site, easierthanyoutthink.ca, HTML pages, images, /alarmsound.mp3. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So I copy this text, then I go to Chrome, Google, and then I type the address. If you click OK, then you will hear the sound right here. So when you hear the sound, right click on this image and then save audio as. I pick desktop, and then you click save without changing the name, and the name is alarm sound. Okay, so we did this one. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to source, upload file, choose file. We go to desktop and alarm sound. This one has a different name, so I'm going to change it to alarm sound. Alarm sound. Then open. Then OK. So you can see the source is alarm sound. Now we go to our blocks and we do a very slight change here. After we set the current time here and show it to the user, we're going to check to see if the str is equal to the alarm time that the user specified. But this equality is not numbers, it's the text. So you have to go to text this time and you say compare text. This is a different block with the one that you had in math. This compares two texts together. So I want to compare str, which is current time, if it is equal to the alarm time that the user specified. So I put the alarm time here and then I change it to text. If these are equal, then I want to play the alarm sound. So I go down to sound and then I say play. And that's all the changes we had to make to our previous alarm clock. So let's see if the app works. Let's say we want the alarm to go off at 7:22